Welcome to King J Talk Show with Sean Nguyen. The goal of this program is to help you become top 1% success in real estate. We did it, so we can show you how. We want to talk to you about 6 real estate investment opportunities in 2023. 2023 real estate investment opportunity number 1, new homes. Right now, builders across the country are very motivated to sell the new build, especially the houses recently completed, ready to move in. The reason the builders are so motivated because right now it is slow. It's still slow to sell. So we take a look at the months of supply on the market. Monthly supply of new houses in the United States published by the Economic Research Department of the St. Louis Federal Reserve System. So it shows the monthly information since 1965 to 2022 to December 2022, and they updated as of January 26, 2023. That is very up-to-date information. And you see, since 1965 until now, until 2023, the average monthly supply of the new home on the market is about 7 months. So 7 months or less is a good time to buy. But right now, the inventory of the new home dropped from like 10 months in September 2022, and they dropped to 9 months in December 2022, and it is still dropping. So the resale market is getting better and better every month right now. There are several reasons to make new homes a good real estate investment opportunity in 2023. Number 1, the seller is motivated, very motivated, because the slower than normal time. So it takes longer, normally about 7 months, but right now it takes 9 months to sell as of January 2023. And builder doesn't want to pay high interest rate on the mortgage of their new homes. So everybody borrow money to build the house. So they have to pay the interest rate every day. So in order to get rid of high interest payment on their mortgage loan, builder need to sell the house. So that is why we see across the country, builders are offering big incentives. They offer incentives like a financial incentives to buy down the interest rate. Instead of you paying 7% interest rate, the builder can offer you to buy down the interest rate about 2%. So to make it, instead of you paying 7% interest rate, you pay 5% interest rate. So that is reduce your monthly payment significantly. And also, builder across the country, they reduce their price for a quicker sale or faster sale. I see somewhere between 5% to 10%. Let's say last year the house is 300,000. And now we see here and there the house about 270,000. Let's say last year the house is a 400,000. This year we see here and there the builder slash their price to like a 360. So my clients, those who are buying houses about a year before and they are about to close this month or next 2 months, we go ahead and renegotiate the price with the builder. So they can drop the price to match the pricing at the current market level. So that's awesome. And builders are very, very motivated to work with you. Before, it has to be draw lottery. But now they are very, very nice and cooperative. And you can, at this time, you can negotiate with them and they can make a deal with them. So it is time, I believe it's good time to negotiate with the builder for the best deal possible. Okay, let me show you we are in Arizona and we found Casa Grande is a very fast and there is a multi-billion dollars projects that pouring into the area. So we predict this Casa Grande area, Arizona, will be explosive in the next several years. Lucid invest more than $1 billion there. Nikola invest more than $1 billion there. Tesla International Raceway, they invested more than $1 billion over there. Procter and Gamble is about to invest $500 million over there, and many other companies that are in the supply chain for semiconductor, for Intel. It is from Casa Grande to Intel in Chandler, Ocotillo campus right here. It's about 15 to 20 minutes driving. So it is really close to Intel, which committed about $40 billion, $50 billion for Fab 52, 62, and other fabs. So with $50 billion invested about 15-20 minutes from Casa Grande, and Casa Grande has a multi-billion dollars project going on right now. So it's going to be explosive. And we look at one of the website for new build right here, and we see like this house, like a 1447 square foot house, 3 bedroom and 2 bathroom, and the price go from $263,990 as of February 2nd, 2023. So their asking price, their list price on the website, on the builder's website, only $264. And like this model, like a 1655 square foot home, 3 bedroom, 2 bathroom, only $283,990. So $284,000 that you have a beautiful brand new single family home, 3 bedroom, 2 bathroom, and 1655 square foot. And like this one, like a 1901 square foot house, 1900 square foot home, and the price from $303,990, so $304. That is a wonderful, awesome price. Good time to make a good deal with new home with builder right now. So with price of new homes under $300,000 and builder offering incentive to buy down the interest rate, I think it's a good time. Good time to negotiate the best deal with the builders right now, beginning of 2023. 2023. Okay, I will see you in the next video.